In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumroad to start selling your digital products quickly and efficiently. We'll be focusing specifically on setting up to sell an ebook, but you can apply these steps to other digital products as well. Let's dive into the process. First, you need to navigate to the Gumroad website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in the website address, or simply searching for Gumroad in your search engine and clicking on the official site. Once you're on Gumroad's homepage, you're on your way to monetizing your creativity. Now let's get into the main part, selling your digital products. At the top of the page, you'll find a menu bar. Click on the Products tab. This is your gateway to creating and managing all of your offerings on Gumroad. Once you've clicked there, look for the New Product button. It's usually easy to find and prominent on the page, designed to catch your eye and encourage you to jump deep into the creative process. Selecting New Product will present you with a few options regarding the type of product you want to sell. Since our focus today is on ebooks, you're going to choose Ebook from the list of options. This section is quite user-friendly, offering an array of digital products you might want to sell, but today we're zeroing in on the ebook. Once you've chosen ebook, it's time to start uploading your content. This is where the magic happens. Prepare the PDF or document file of your ebook. Make sure it's polished, complete, and in the format that best represents your brand. Uploading your file is straightforward. Just follow the prompts that guide you through selecting the file from your computer. If your ebook comes with any extra files, like a companion document or promotional material, you can upload those as well. Gumroad allows you to add some flair and functionality to your product listing. Think about the cover art, a compelling title, and a captivating description. These are crucial elements that will catch the eyes of potential customers. Spend some time crafting a description that not only tells the story of your ebook, but also highlights what makes it unique and valuable. Once everything looks good, you can hit Publish to make your ebook available for purchase. And just like that, you've set up your digital storefront on Gumroad. It's seamless, efficient, and an excellent way to share your work with the world while earning some revenue. Take advantage of Gumroad's features, engage with your audience, and watch your creativity turn into a fulfilling venture. Thanks for joining me today. Here's to your successful ebook launch.